All right. Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new 1% sentiment stream. As you guys know, we run these every single Monday at 12 p.m. Today, we're going to be going over some ETH. We'll also be going over some gold, and we'll also be going over some US 30. So, I want to talk about ETH here. We talked about this range that we had created. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, with ETH, we had this low that was created. We had a high that was created as well. We talked about how we were not able to get over that high. So instead, we broke structure to the downside and price made the move all the way down. Following that, we'll most likely be looking for equity below these lows right here. It looks like we're about to hit those around that 2098 version. And then once we do, we'll be able to catch some continuation to the upside if that is there. Now, if this does go below this range, this doesn't look very, very good for crypto whatsoever. But if you guys are new to this, if you are watching this on YouTube, make sure to join the private mentorship at discord.gg/leverage, where we have community giveaways. We have live trading every single Tuesday through Thursday, and we do our sentiment streams and our review streams there as well. My socials will be linked in the description if you want to find it through there, but feel free to join the private mentorship at discord.gg/leverage. So that is Ethereum. I'm going to go ahead and move into some US 30 now. I'm not really focused on Ethereum until we come underneath this low, and then I'll look for behavior as far as that goes. Now let's focus on some gold, and then we'll go over to some US 30. So gold, 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 gold. Gold has made a very, very big move to the upside, right? Throughout of December into January. And then last week, we actually caught a short. You guys can see where that short was taken. And we had that reversal that was in play. So I think it was a Wednesday or a Thursday. No, Wednesday had a reversal. Thursday had the continuation. So we took a Thursday short. Price made that full move to the downside. And now we're starting to see that pullback that we have been looking for about a couple months now. And the reasoning for that was just due to the fact that we were not creating any new demand. Instead, we were just pushing up over and over and over again. If you guys look within the candles, you can see we never come back to any imbalances. We just keep creating imbalances, and price keeps pushing to the upside. So that was that show of hand of us looking for that reversal soon. We were able to get that reversal. No equity buys on any metals just yet. I'm still hedging as far as shorts go. For holding equity, we took out equity around last month, around the start of the month. So very, very good as far as that goes. That was XAU USD. This week we'll be watching here, most likely continuation to the downside, as we are still bearish on our higher time frames, 4-hour bearish, 1-hour bearish. So we'll look for that continuation to the downside until disproven, most likely a move below this low, and then it actually starts that range again. So we'll watch for that. That's going to be XEU USD, and we will be day trading that this week. So we'll be trading tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, Wednesday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and Thursday at the same exact time. So that was XEU. Let's move into US 30, and then we will end it for today. So with US 30, still ranging. We told ourselves that we would be ranging until around February, until mid to late December, coming into February, and that's exactly what we did, right? We created that range from this high to this low. We've been liquidating those highs, creating those ranges, and now we're still bullish. We're still showing that continuation to the upside. So daily is still that bullish time frame. We came back into that candle before candle, broke structure to the upside on the H4. And then following that H4 breakout structure to the upside that we saw right here, we are now getting that continuation. So let's focus on creating that new range for US 30 before I personally take any trades. Once we are out of this range right here, we'll start to see that push up, and then we'll start to see our ranges start to form again, whether it's a reversal, a distribution, or if we're going to see that continuation and price just keeps moving to the upside. But as far as US 30 goes, still bullish on higher time frames, still bullish on the H4, still bullish on the H1. So we'll see it continue to move up until disproven. Now, I do like to say that I like to keep these short and sweet for you all, due to the fact of when you are looking at your sentiments at the start of the week, when you are not taking your trades, only focus on your higher time frames. Ready? When in doubt, zoom out every single time. So when you are looking at those, from that higher time frame perspective, use that to then trade your day trading perspectives. There's no need to predict where price is going to go on a Monday. Instead, focus on if you are bullish or you are bearish, and then coming into Tuesday, look to see if you can confirm that, and then go from there. That will tell you where price is going to go directionally, day by day, versus trying to just guess on an overall scale every single week or every single month. But with that said, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thanks for everybody who saw this on YouTube. Thanks for everybody who watched this. We will be trading tomorrow in the morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, so definitely pop out for that. I will catch you guys then as far as that goes. For now, I'm going to be settling, not doing too much. We have the new office coming out in about 2 weeks, so we'll be going crazy as far as that goes when it happens. So we'll be focused on that. Trading this week, like I said, 9:30 in the morning, Tuesday through Thursday. So I will see all of you guys then. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night, and peace out, everybody.